Creating rates. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the basics of creating rates. We start by the Rooms, Rates, Availability page as usual. Click Add New Rate. And the Rate Properties page comes up with 7 tabs on the top. We will go through each of these one by one. Start with Descriptions. For rate name, we can choose one of the names in this list as we will do so, or write our own rate name by choosing User Defined. Rate description should be a short explanation of what the rate is about. Write something here. And down here, we will leave this setting as it is. But had we chosen special, a code would be issued and only the code owners would be able to view the rate. Second step is prices, where we also set the associated room types. We will choose only single room this time. The system asks for a price to activate the rate. We will enter a price now, which we can later edit at the prices page. And here, by choosing 1 year period, I'm automatically filling in the price calendar for 1 year period. No need to save now. Go to minimum maximum stay setting, which we are not allowed to change at the moment. We have to come back later. So we go to GDCN and the page comes up with the hotel default GDCN policy. I will change it now by choosing a more appropriate policy, full payment policy for example, from the list which is shown up here down below. Promotions tab tells me the same thing, that the hotel default policy is applied, which I changed now by clicking here, Edit button, and then specify for this rate. Write in an early booking promotion. And go to Extra Services. We can choose from the available extra services down below or skip this step to come back later once having created special extra services for this rate. I will choose Airport Transfer and go to Other Settings. We keep this setting as it is now, but if for some reason we wanted to limit the sales of this rate, then we would check On Request Rate here. In that case, the reservation would not become valid until we confirmed it. This is not to control room sales. Room sales can be controlled by the On Request feature in the availability page. This option is discussed in another tutorial. And cutoff time specifies the latest time the hotel will accept reservations for this rate. Leave blank. Save. And the rate shows up here at the bottom. If we want to move it up, on this page as well as a reservation screen, we use these arrows here on the left. We find here that single room is already on sale on this rate, and to update prices, we click the Prices button here. And as we expected, the calendar comes in filled in with prices. To update weekend prices, we choose those 2 columns. Type in the amount we want to increase and click Add. The values are transferred to the table. And when we save, to the calendar as well. Now let's check how our rates show up on the reservation screen. Choose the dates. And here it is. We can see the special prices and promotions applied. And when we select the rate, the description that we had written.